Hey everyone! Today we are doing the first 10 tricks we learn on our roller skates, on a mini ramp or small half pipe like this one.
Yay.
So lots of people skate in half pipes, mini ramps, which is really awesome. And so we wanted to do this video. Kev's gonna do 5 tricks. I'm gonna do 5 tricks. Before learning any of these tricks, we highly recommend that you learn how to carve, pump, and drop in, because that gives you a strong foundation for what comes later. So I will put in the description down below links to the videos we made about how to carve, how to pump, how to drop in, and also the videos that we've made about some of these first 5 tricks. So let's start. All right, I'm gonna start by dropping in, turning myself around, and coming back toward Kev for my first trick, which is a toe stop stall.
Okay.
All right.
Let's see it. She turns around, she comes back. Both toe stops on the right below the coping on the transition, it looks like. Yep.
What's the next trick?
The next trick is air to fakie. Let's see it again. Comes in front, jumps and goes back in.
I'm gonna try that one more
Let's do
time.
it one more time.
Air to fakie.
Smooth. Now next is a flamingo. Let's see that. Yeah, with expression. Nice touch. Style points. Do it again. Now the next trick, let's see it again. Oh, with a sound effect. Okay, next trick now is a Maryland. Hi. Showboaty, very stylish. Let's see it again. You grab your foot from behind. Very stylish. You got one more in you?
Yeah,
No.
all right.
Oh, she said, okay, one more. Now her last trick is a sushi roll. Let's see it. Sushi roll on it, or Tootsie Roll. I think sushi sounds better.
Sushi's better.
Sushi's better.
Here we go. Sushi roll.
One more time. Good job. Nice, DJ Jazz. All right.
All right. All right, here's Kev.
All right.
What do you got, Kev? What's your first trick?
Let's see. I'm going to jump out, fly out.
Jumping out onto the deck.
Yep.
Go, go, Kev. Woo! Jumping out. Let's see that again.
One more time.
Yeah. Jumping out, airing it out onto the deck. Oh, nice one.
All right.
What's next for you?
I'm going to do a plate stall.
Oh, he's gonna do a plate stall or a front side stall. Okay.
Ready?
Very important foundational stall. Plate stall, front side stall. Whoa, look at how long, oh my God. He just basically is like standing there forever. Let's see that again. Solid plate stall, front side stall, yes. Nice. What's next? Box stall. Yeah. Oh, the box stall. So 1 foot parallel, 1 foot perpendicular on the coping.
One more time.
One more time for box stall. Nice.
Yeah.
And next, a 180 air.
I'm going to get out once
Yes?
and
Get a little momentum?
get a little momentum to this.
Absolutely. The 180 air is one of Kevin's specialties. Let's see it, Kev. Oh! Nice. 180 air.
Yeah.
All right. And last but certainly not least,
The Bertleman.
the Bertleman. One of his trademark moves.
I'm going to go over there and try it.
All right, he's gonna go over there, turn around in order to come back toward this deck and do the Bertleman trick, which is a really smooth deck trick. Look at that. Look at that, Bertleman. You got another one in you? Oh, yeah, Bertleman it out.
It's fun.
It's cool.
Super fun.
All right,
guys.
so those are our first 10 tricks.
Those are my 5.
Let us know in the comments below, what are your first 10 tricks on a mini? Or, what are you trying to learn right now? And please like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see. Bye.
Bye.